Welcome to Personal Finance. I'm Alex Friedrich, your instructor. Now, you've done a smart thing by enrolling in this course. Lots of folks my age say they wish they'd have learned something about personal finance when they were younger. Now, if you're an older student, believe me, don't worry, it's not too late to start. That said, if you're looking for a class that will make you a millionaire investor, you'll probably want to look elsewhere. My goal is to teach you to spend, save, and invest wisely and conservatively so you get a solid financial footing and stay out of trouble. Now, in this class, you'll learn to be a smart consumer in a wide range of areas. First, we'll lay the groundwork. We'll cover basics such as setting goals, budgeting, and understanding something called the time value of money. You'll need those basics to get the most out of later chapters. To reinforce that material, I'll have you start almost immediately on what I call the spending project, in which you'll track your spending for a couple of months, all the while maintaining and updating monthly budgets. I'll have more on that in a later video. Later on, you'll also learn how to choose banking services, how to build a good credit score, how to buy a car and a home, and how to invest. We'll also look at taxes, insurance, and saving for retirement. Just look at the table of contents on D2L to get a full picture of what we'll cover. But one warning, we'll be skipping around in the book, so always check to see which chapter is next on the agenda. Now, the format I use may be a little different from what you're used to. It's a little like a multimedia blog, and I think it should be pretty fun to use. It'll include graphics, links, short videos, and audio clips, and a lot of photos. Now, it'll give you all the links to every exercise sheet you'll need, so everything you need is in one place when you need it. Along the way, you'll be doing a lot of math problems, but the arithmetic is usually pretty straightforward. You may occasionally ask yourself, hey, why am I doing all of this math? This is the kind of stuff the bank will calculate for me. True, it's a fair question. You're doing it because understanding how your costs or investments are calculated is good background knowledge that will help make you a more sophisticated consumer. Now, all in all, we'll be taking in a lot of information this semester, and frankly, I don't expect you to remember all of it years from now. But try to understand enough so that you know where to look for help when you need a refresher later on. And if you decide not to buy a hard copy of our book, consider investing in another book or two later on. Chances are it'll come in handy. Finally, and I can't stress this enough, contact me if you're having problems at any time. It doesn't matter whether it's a problem understanding the material or a personal or family problem that's preventing you from succeeding at this course. Contact me early so we can nip the problem in the bud. Remember, I'm here to help you. That's my job, so don't hesitate. All of the contact information you need is in the syllabus. So welcome aboard, and let's get started.